Our next guest is an infectious 47-year-old Latina mom of 4 who's been married for 30 years. Aside from her day job as a forklift saleswoman, she literally has taken TikTok by storm with over 2 million followers after posting her family's Mexican dishes during the pandemic with the help of her daughter. You got to take a look at this.
How to make good bomb-ass birria.
Boil for 2 hours. In the pot, whole head of onion, 2 bay leaves, and 8 of the garlic cloves.
So for 6 pounds of meat, you're gonna need 20 California chilies,
2 pasilla, 6 of the chile puya. The chile de árbol is optional. Boil all your chilies for like 30 minutes. Add all these spices.
and I also put some vinegar.
You're also gonna want to add some beef juice into your mix. Pour all your chile into the meat, chop. Add cilantro, cebolla, and some lemon.
Lastly, get your queso taco, dunk it in, and enjoy.
Jenny is joining us now. Welcome, Jenny.
Thank you so much for having me.
What a story you have. So tell us, how did this TikTok phenomenon all start for you?
You know, my daughters are the one that got me into TikTok. I didn't even know what TikTok was. She says, Mom, your cooking is going to go viral if you start posting your food, but I didn't know how to use TikTok. So she helped me. That first time that we recorded birria, she uploaded the video. We went to bed that night. The following morning, my phone was blowing up and I couldn't believe it. We had over 1 million views just that night, and I just couldn't believe it. And I was so excited. I started crying.
So in your mind, Jenny, why do you think you've become such a viral sensation so quickly?
You know what? I keep on hearing from my followers that they like how authentic I keep my cooking, that it reminds them when their grandma was cooking, when their mothers were cooking. So to me, if I keep it real to who I am, I think that's what followers or fans like.
Keeping it real, that's what it's all about. Now, fill us in. What are you going to make for us today?
So I'm going to make you this Habanero Guacamole, which also went viral on TikTok.
Que bueno.
Yes,
Me gusta
delicioso.
mucho.
So what I like
walk
to
us
do,
through it.
Okay, I like to roast my habanero. A lot of people like to use serrano or jalapeno, but I like it with habanero. I also like to roast my garlic. So what I like to do, I just hit it really quick, and then all the garlic peels really fast. So I just remove it, just like this, and then I just start grinding it. Okay, so I start with this before adding the guacamole. So I grind it really well. And the secret here is, instead of salt, I'm going to be using chicken bouillon. If you're Mexican, you know what it is. So chicken bouillon, and then I grind it to the habanero, and then I start adding the avocados. So I just like to spoon out the avocado from the skin.
Jenny, I'm an amateur guacamole guy compared to you, but what's your secret? How do you keep that guacamole from turning brown?
So once after you're done mixing all the avocado and the vegetables, you add the pits back inside. That's going to help it keep fresher, greener, and brighter. And a little bit of the lime juice is also going to help it a lot. And after, you could, if you have any remaining avocado or guacamole, you could just wrap it with saran wrap, and that's going to stop from being exposed to the air.
You can make it sort of like whoever finds the pit in the guacamole gets a prize or something. Gets an extra margarita.
Yes. And there you go. Listo.
All right. Now, Jenny, I saw you add some vegetables. What were those?
Yeah, so I was showing you, that's the Bandera de Mexico that I like to use. It's the Mexican flag because it has the colors, the green, the white, and the red. And so that's one of the main ingredients that goes inside a guacamole.
Wow, does that look good? Thanks for coming on the show.
Oh, you're
Jenny.
welcome.
Really,
it was my pleasure.
really great stuff. And for Jenny's guacamole recipe and more, go to our website, thedoctorstv.com.